welcome back. So we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner for week 3, which is January 13th through the 19th. And the kit I'm going to be using is no longer available, but it was a TPC Nation collab, and this is 500 miles number 4. I'm just using up again what I have in my stash for 2025. So you probably will see some new stickers coming because I am running very low. I think I have like 20 kits left. I have my Black Mountain Plans stickers, script stickers here. I do PR for her, so if you use Amy B20, you can get 20% off at Black Mountain Plans. I have my sidebar scripts here from Tipsy Dog. I have my date dots here from Avalon and Ninth. I have the week number here, which is 108 from Planner Kate. And then I have my kit. The one thing I already did go ahead and lay down is the little strips here, as well as my what week we are on. So we're gonna lay down the date dots. Just trying to save some time. Don't really have much going on this week, I don't think. But we did, the current week we are on, did get a bunch of snow, and they are calling for more, so we have that to look forward to. And I am done with those. Let me see. Okay. So we've had snow days. We've had my husband home. He's been working from home. We went outside and played in the snow. So that's always fun. Saturday. I grab Sunday. I should have widened out the days of the week. That is okay. So I'm going to lay down the sidebar. If you are new here, hi, welcome. I hope you stick around. But my categories are household, my daughter, myself and my husband, meal plan, and health, because I am going to be trying to get better about the health and actually go to the gym, which I can already say I'm failing at, but that's okay. I'll get there. So these again are from Tipsy Dog Designs. They fit perfectly in your sidebar. I'm done with those as well. So I do have some full boxes, which we are going to go ahead and put down. this. Because why not? And you do have hair, so gotta pull up a couple things on my phone. Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna start with household, which we're gonna grab one of these cute little label things here. And I mark it every week, so no surprise. It is trash day. Oops. Trash day. What's going on this week? Don't you? Okay. Yuki yuki. I do need to grab, let's grab this one here. Do need to do sands and Walmart. Oop, Walmart this week. Do them on the same day. I need to change sheets. I'm just marking in the regular old things we have to do, that we do every week. And laundry. Okay. So, my daughter has a hair appointment, and so do I. So she has a bang trim at 11:45. I don't know the exact time of hers or mine. It just starts at 11:45. So, and then wax at 11:45. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy, I think. I want to use that guy somewhere. Nothing else here. Actually, come on, there we go. And I gotta put this one up. How did we go? My husband comes home this day. He leaves this day. And I'm going to put this one. I'm going to do this box here. 'Cause I don't plan on doing anything this weekend. It is the 3-year ann of my dad's passing. So 3 years without him. do not like that, but this is short, simple, sweet. It's the winter, so not that busy. But that is what it looks like. I do have extra functionals here, which is nice, so I can add in what I need to during the week. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.